Welcome to West Coast Bushcrafters, and today we have something new, exciting, and even new for us.
Yes.
We're namely gonna test a sharpening system from TSPROF, the Kadet Pro. We tested last week and we are very positive about this system. We're gonna sharpen a number of different grinds. We're gonna test, of course, our well-beloved Scandi Grind. Some smaller Convex knives. I can even have one. And not to forget, we're gonna sharpen a secondary V-edge on this Nesmuk. We're gonna start with a Falkeneven F1. It's not just a normal Falkeneven F1. It is one from the Swedish army, bought by a friend of mine who asked me to sharpen this one. And it's a model from 1998. And this one is made in Germany, and the normal one is made in Japan. You can see it doesn't have any metal on the back there, so it's a little bit different. So we're gonna make him happy and sharpen this one. Don't mention. It sucks really hard. On the internet, we have seen people have this digital angle measurement system. We just use a pencil. So now we're gonna mark the edge, so later on we can see if it sharpens exactly the part we want to sharpen. Here we have a box with different coarse grinds. So it starts with 150, 220, 400, 600 and 1000. Then actually that is enough. 1000. When you end up with 1000, do some stropping. I will see the result later. But you start with 150. Here you have it. I just click it in between. We have attached this convex attachment. Hope we have the right settings. Oh, that sounds really good.
Oh.
I've just tested a little bit of the sharpening with the convex attachment. I can see that the green line is gone at the part where I want to have it. So I'm happy with the angle we adjusted. Let's go ahead. I believe when you sharpen with the system, when you sharpen a convex knife, that you have a certain length where the stone hits the edge. And every strike you need to have that complete length. So you hit the front side and also the edge. So it's very important, I guess, to use the full length up and down until you hit the spring at the end. And then you're sure you have this complete convex motion.
Yeah, blir bra ut.
Now it's time to flip the knife. There you have this, you just click this one in front, rotate it 180 degrees, fasten it again, ready to go on the other side. So we're gonna change, easy, just grip on, pull, because there is a spring, then it loosens up. We put that back in the box, place number 1. Here we got the 220 stone. Once again, pull it in there, clicks very fast, rotate, and the party begins again. Take a 400 stone. Then like this, 600. So this is 1000 grit. So, okay, Here we have a strop from Castrem. And we put some green compound, which is the finest. And some white compound, it's second finest. So, take out the knife and do that with the screw. Much better than before. Let's see what the result is. See if I have a happy knife friend. I guess.
Ah.
That is how easy it is with this advanced but simple system. Convex.
Time to sharpen the Joker Nesmuk flat grind with secondary VH. You see, it's pretty sharp, but at the same time, not everywhere. Let's damage the knife a little bit. Ow. 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 Yes, now it's pretty dull. But then I'm gonna start with the 220 stone instead of the 150. Sånn den ser. I think I got it. $400. Let's see if the knife is sharp. It's very sharp. So, secondary VH is no problem.
We're gonna sharp the Falcon even PC. Let's flip over the knife.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Underbart. Time to sharpen a Scandi Grind. This is my wife's knife, so it's pretty dull. And now to find the angle. Oh yes, we have it. Well, it's not that easy to sharpen a Scandi Grind.
What is the challenge with the TSPROF system and sharpening a Scandi Grind?
It's finding the exact angle. All the way it feels like I have a one angle for this part, and I have to change the angle to get the tip.
So it requires some adjustments during the sharpening process.
Ja, det er vel skarpt nok.
Well, this system is of course to sharpen your knife really sharp on the edge, but I was thinking about is what is the possibility to sharpen up the spine. We're just gonna give it a test. It's
different. Sharper.
Can I do it here?
Yeah, of course. Oi!
Time for a conclusion. So we tested a couple of different knives with the TSPROF Kadet. What did you think?
Well, it was very easy to sharpen any kind of knife, except for the Scandi Grind. It was a little bit tougher.
But for the rest, for the Nesmuk, Saber Grind, just pocket knives, fillet knife, we have not used the system which is so easy to sharpen the knife up really fast. Do some stropping, you have to do some stropping afterwards.
Yeah.
Oh man, you get hair-popping sharp knives.
Yeah.
The TSPROF.
But if you want to win a cap,
Or a hat.
what do you do then, Tim?
Then you write something in the comments. Say, I want a cap, I want a hat.
Yeah.
And then we maybe what?
We will send it to you.
But first, we need to pick the winner from the last episode.
And the winner is...
Congratulations!
Ruth Schut. Please send us an email and we'll give you a cap or a hat.
Okay, thank you for this time.
Bye bye.
See you soon.